Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up your first Phantom wallet. And you can do it two ways. You can do it on your desktop, or if you're trading on the go, you can do it on your phone. They support iOS and Android, so you can find the app directly on your app store by typing in Phantom. The method I'm about to show you is going to stay the same for both desktop and on the phone app. It's going to be the same process. So the first thing you want to do is type in Phantom Wallet extension onto Google, and then you're going to see this first link with the Chrome Web Store, and you're going to want to click it. And now it's going to ask you to add it to your preferred browser. I'm using Brave. It can work for Firefox, it can work for Chrome, and much more extensions that support Phantom. And once it downloads, you'll see it pop up here. And you can actually pin it so we have it in our line of view, so for easier accessibility. And now I'm going to show you how to create an account. So it'll bring you to a page like this after you just did what I showed you. And you can create a new wallet, and you can do it two ways. You can either do it with email or with a secret recovery phrase. So essentially, a secret recovery phrase is your password. You never want to give this out or your account will get compromised. So I'll show you both methods. We're going to start with the create a secret phrase. We're going to do your password here. And we're going to do the same thing here. And we're going to agree to the terms of service. And now this is your secret recovery phrase. I'm not going to show you because if I scroll over this right now, it's going to show you all the words, but you're going to want to scroll over and write it down. You never want to save it online. Write it down and then click continue, and that's it. You're good to go. And once you click here, your wallet is created. Of course, we have nothing in it yet, but that's how you do it with the secret recovery phrase. Now we're going to go ahead and create another Phantom wallet, but this time with our email. So we're going to create a new wallet. We're going to select continue with email, and we're going to select one of these. So I have a Gmail account, so I'm going to select Google. And now it's going to bring us to our Gmail account, which I've created this one for the test purpose for this video. So we're going to select it and click continue. Now it's going to ask you to make a PIN. So this is very important that you never forget this PIN, or you will lose access to your Phantom wallet, even if you have access to your email. So you always want to make sure you write down this PIN. And now it's going to ask us to create a password. So I'm going to make a quick password here. And then we're going to click continue. And that's it. We're good to go. And we're all set up. And that's how you create a Phantom wallet.